Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with vegetarian dish called tofu in almond curry. It can be made vegan too if you switch dairy products into vegan friendly products. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of tofu that's been cut into bite-sized pieces. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of Gharam masala. Mix it all well together. Take a flat pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Once the pan is hot enough, add the tofu one by one and fry it for 6 minutes. Now turn them into other side slowly and fry for another 5 to 6 minutes. Once the tofu is fried, turn off the stove and set the tofu aside. Take a pan on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add 1 cup of chopped onions and fry it for 2 minutes. After frying 2 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it all well and fry it until the onions changes to brown in color. Make almond and tomato paste, 50 grams of almonds and 3 tomatoes. Add this in a pan and cup of water as needed. Mix it all well and bring it to the boil. Now add 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 cup of cream. Mix it all well and cook it for 7 minutes. You will see change of color in the sauce. At this point, add 3 teaspoons of yogurt. It's totally optional. Mix it well and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Now add fried tofu and cook it for another 2 minutes. chopped cilantro and turn off the stove. And it's ready to serve. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.